Did you get scared? I'm sorry. Hey guys, it's me Mandira. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you to the oldest dam of Karnataka. Are you thinking about Tungabhadra Dam or KRS Dam? If you're thinking about it, you're wrong. Come on, think, 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 think. Ah!
What they doing, keep on doing.
I am going to Marikanivet or Vani Vilasa Sagara Dam in Hiriyur Taluk, Chitradurga district, Karnataka. This dam is built across river Vedavati between 1897 to 1907. This project was initiated by Queen Kempananjamani Vani Vilasa Sannidhana after death of Maharaja of Mysore Maharaja Vadiyar. For constructing this dam, Queen had to pledge royal jewelries due to shortage of money. That is why the dam is named after her. Thank you friends for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye until next video.